Hello, my people. Now, well done. Now, good day. Now, another matter I carry can give my people today. This one, he get a CBO. Kidnappers, they don't devise another means when be say they fit take the kidnap. They will come, waiting that they try do, they go put some net for road to take make sure say when vehicles they come, the vehicles not go feel run too much because the net go don't enter the vehicle. Try reduce the speed of the vehicle so that they will fit jump enter the vehicle come kidnap people when be say e dey inside this vehicle. This one when I dey tell una so e happen for Anegbete for Edo State. Wetin happen be say they put this Hausa men, these Hausa kidnappers, they put this net for road so that vehicles when they come, they will run into this net and their vehicle no go fit roll again, fit drive again because the net go don hold the vehicle. E happen say wetin come happen, this man get dey very lucky. Wetin happen say when these kidnappers put this net for road, when the net don roll the man tire, the man still continue to dey drive. As the man continue to dey drive, one of the kidnapper still try hold the door to take try see as he go fit take hold the man when he dey drive. Wetin happen say the man no listen, the man continue to dey drive and the kidnapper still dey on top of the motor. Luckily for am, the man was able to come drive reach area when be say people come dey, when be say vigilante dey there. Na im dey come, e come quickly stop. So na im dey come use the opportunity take catch the man. Make I not too talk, make una see wetin dey happen, una hear the incident as the thing take happen. My people, na God we dey pray, make God guide and protect each and every one of us. The way kidnappers wey be say they don devise different means when be say they take dey kidnap today in order for them to kill and to collect money from people, e don too much. So make una watch this video, make una see wetin dey happen. My people, na the matter be this. Una well done, una good day, una bye bye.
Good morning, Nigerians. I am in my hometown, Anegbete, in Isako Central Local Government. This is the net these kidnappers put on the highway so that when the vehicle or when any vehicle is coming, the net will just enter the vehicle, roll the tires, and probably the vehicle will not be able to run again. And the kidnappers will just come automatically. They will block the person and they will kidnap the person. So as at last night, there is this Fulani kidnapper, a boy, it's a Fulani by tribe, as I'm seeing him, because they have spoken to him. He said he's Fulani. Him and himself, him and his gang, they tried to kidnap somebody who was coming to Anegbete last night. And the person, knowing fully well that things like that are about to happen, when he entered the net, he started driving with speed. And the speed was able to cut off the net, but one of them jumped on the vehicle, dragging the steering with the guy. And the man drove with speed and he brought the guy to Anegbete because the guy held the vehicle very tight. When he brought the vehicle to Anegbete, fortunately, the vigilante group were able to block them. They were on duty. They were able to block. I think that's the chairman, it's Mr. Monday Osigala. They were able, the vigilante group, they were on duty.
No,
and they blocked them
not around
that last night.
No.
And they were able to apprehend the guy. I'm going there right now. People will see the Fulani guy we are talking about. Funny enough, the funniest thing now is this, that when this guy was apprehended last night, he has been boasting that he has been to area command and that they have always released him. That criminals will never finish in Nigeria, and that no matter how they torture him, he is not going to say anything. So now you say no matter what police do, you not go talk anything, Abi. You not go talk, and you go continue to the thief. You now continue to the kidnap people.
Na so.
You not going to do like that.
They no go fit come, ma.
The head.
Even though they carry anything, they no go fit come.
They no go fit come well on a day.
They no fit shop that money. They no fit carry and they go kill Bature.
How many of you now?
Now the one Jalil with my own second one. Now 3 will be.
Which bush you na dey?
Now you know say now the same place with the Jalil.
Who be Jale?
The one why they kill in Nebo, the one why they kill Bature, they carry Bature, go Libya, go na my own Ethiopia. They say the one carry.
But na Nigeria be you be na Nigeria you
Me
be.
na Nigeria I be.
You be Nigeria. Which state?
Now, where state where I did?
Which state you be? Be Katsina, be Kano, be where you be?
For both a place. No be say na him na. Yesterday, no be here. They come and got me. You see clothes why they come.
Because what I am saying right now, before I finish this video, when this boy was apprehended by the vigilantes that were actively on duty last night, hold on. When they apprehended him, the room they kept him, they decided not to torture him. They decided to just like lock him up in a room. Unfortunately, for the chairman of the vigilante, most of his diet food, plantain, I think dry plantain and some other things that were there, this boy messed them up, pee on them, practically defecated on all of them. Most of his clothes, most of the things that were there, they messed them up. And this boy is saying right now that no matter what they do to him, he is never going to confess. That they are deeply inside the bush, inside the forest, and that people cannot get there. You now, if they follow you, you fit carry people enter the forest, you fit carry people enter the bush.
I dey fear now.
You dey fear now to enter there.
Nah, here me I say now. Yeah, may they go kill me.
So if you go there now, they will kill you quick.
Chap, if you are there here, they no go feel. My neighbor they quick come. Kada me second they go come together. If they see me here now, they will keep no go my call die.
So this thing what una do last night, so e good, abi e no good?
Me, I don't know, not be myself. My cow, you are using it.
Okay, they bring you corn, a cow they won't use you can't do before. But all of a sudden now, because they can't carry you and start kidnapping.
They give me this thing.
They give you something in chop.
Yeah, fish. No, say me, I know the shop fish. I come to promote. He come on that. Me, I don't know, say now, I see him come. I say, thank God.
So right now, people can see this is one of the kidnappers in Anegbete. Because of they had to bring him out because he messed up the room that he was kept. Thank you very much. See, what is your name? May Sunanka.
Hassan.
Yeah?
Hassan.
Hassan waiting. Your papa name? Babanka.
Aljan.
Yeah?
Aljan.
Hassan Ajan.
Hassan Aljan.
You be Katsina, Sokoto, Kano, where you be?
I be this thing. What is it? Niger State.
Niger State.
I wait for live before. Now there, I say I come. I say I did there before. I come enter that place where you see say people come the photos.
Okay, wait. Where you? What be your state? You say you did Nigeria before, but where your papa did? Your papa? Where he did? Where your papa did?
Before I come here.
Where your papa did?
My papa, he did with the Alaji.
For where? For Nigeria, Kano, or where?
Nah, here he did.
For here. So your papa there those states?
He did
for where? Na Uromi, Abina, Auchi, Abina, where?
Okay.
Eh?
Okay, sir.
Ewoke. What be Ewoke?
Okay.
Okay, your father there Ewoke. And you now na come cross, enter this side, go they do anything
No,
say
no,
like. So you say your name now be, what be your name again?
Hassan.
Hassan. Papanka.
Hassan Aljan.
Hassan Aljan. How many years you been?
So my years. He don't reach more than 50 years or 14.
You be big boy now.
They don't tell Sani know me, not be today. I don't sabi that boy. You know, see, I see they don't come.
So this thing now, where we say you can't do, you say if they carry you now, go meet. If you won't go show people now, say see where you did. The people that will kill you.
Me and the fear go.
You dey fear now.
Me and they carry my woman come. They won't feel me here.
They won't kill you. Okay. No wahala. No wahala. Thank you. Nigerians, you can see now that what this guy is saying is that in any attempt, he said his gang members are scattered inside the deep forest. That if he decides to lead people there to go and meet them, that probably they will take him out. Maybe they will gun him down. And he's even saying right now that if they know he is here, they are going to like come after his wife first. I will ask him just now how many kids he has. Maybe that's not necessary anyway. He said they will come after his wife, or maybe these are the kind of oaths they take. So that is why this fear factor thing is why they don't, why they find it difficult to confess. Maybe some of these things, the oath they take, or the way they give them to swallow or whatever, I don't know. Nigerians, this is how it is today. One of them has been caught. Thank you. See this scar on his face. It's as if previously, maybe during the process of trying to kidnap people, there was a counter attack on him, or maybe he was caught before, and they injured him. Is this Anegbete Ugbepe Road? That's where they caught him. That's where they caught him. So it's a dangerous situation. Just in case, let me show you the net again. I can zoom it. Look at the nets. You can see how many. You can see. Look at the net exactly. Oh, that is it. The phone has adjusted itself automatically. Look at the net. Look at it. You can see how big the net is. We thank God that if this guy had decided to slow down last night, they would just kidnap him. And especially for the fact that this guy jumped on his vehicle. Imagine that. And the guy was smart enough to drive on speed, and the boy did not leave the vehicle. He just had to, because he knew that the moment one of his hands get loose from the vehicle, he's going to drop dead. They brought him in, and luckily the vigilante people apprehended him. So this is Hassan's story. Hassan is here in Anegbete right now. He has been caught and is being detained to be handed over to the Nigeria police by Anegbete Vigilante Group. Thank you, Nigerians.